Well, I'm going to make myself a nice warm cup of coffee in my cute little fall mug that I bought myself. It says hello fall. And in this video, I'm going to start making some of my fall decorations and decor for my home. So if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And thank you all my regulars. Here's the video. Going to make 2 little pots with wheat in them for some of my fall decoration. I decided I'm just going to use the terracotta one because I have a white basket I'm going to put it in. Okay. I think that's looking pretty good. Full enough. I'm going to go put it in the basket thing I have in the bathroom. And it's going to sit right in there. Well, maybe it'll just sit here by itself. Yeah, I kind of like that. Going to bend the handles down. And there it is. I think it looks pretty sweet. Or let's see without this. Maybe it doesn't even need that. It just needs the little pot. Yeah, I like the little pot by itself. And I think it looks quite nice with the bumblebee and the wreath that are up there. And I'm going to leave those. So that's my first little fall decoration. I'm starting to make some of my fall decor. So in this video, you'll see me do a couple of projects. I bought these beautiful picks at Michael's. And they're $12.99 a piece. But if you bought 2, you got 1 free. Shh, that's my puppy dog barking. He doesn't need to bark. You don't need to bark. No, you don't need to bark at that lady. No, you don't need to bark at that lady. She's just walking by. It's okay, just lay down. Lay down. Funny puppy. Anyhow, back to what I was saying. They're $12.99 a stem, but they were on, if you buy one, you get one free, so it's like getting half price. So I paid probably $6 for each one. And I'm going to take these off, just like that. Buddy, or Rusty, no, now he's chewing on my stems. Guess I better move him. Guess I better move him. There. Achoo! Excuse me. And I have these two little wreath forms. I'm going to put these on here. And I'm going to hang them on my kitchen door for my fall decor. These little picks have little acorns on them, little white beads, and some leaves. My daughter got the same, and she made her wreath already. She did hers on a grapevine stem, or a wreath, and it looked really pretty. So I'm hoping mine will look good on this. I don't think I need to cut any of the wires off. I'm just going to kind of play with this a bit and see what I can do. I might have to use some filler in mine, I don't know. I'll have to wait and see. I don't really want to, I just want to have the berries. Or not the berries, the acorns. I think if I use the berries to wrap around, that will hold it in the best. Just like that. Now I did bring out wire clippers. And yeah, I'm going to use this to go around here just so it's on there nice and sturdy. There we go. Okay, I got that one little bit on there. Get everything pointing to the front. That looks pretty good. Don't like these things poking me. Not sure if I can cut them with these or not. They're pretty tough. Okay, I'm going to take another full one like this. And I think I'll just go around like this and see what happens. I might end up cutting this part off, not sure, unless I wrap it with yeah, I think I'm going to cut that off and I'm just going to use the outside. I'm not going to use these two. Just going to use this part. Because this is kind of what the look I'm going for. It's just very simple. And it's quite easy, just wrapping the stems around. The stems have wire, so you can wrap them around good and they'll stay. Yeah, and I think that will work quite nice. Okay, I'm just going to keep going. So I'm going to just keep going around, and then I will show you what I've got done. Okay, so I've got 1.5 branches around, and I think with the 3 branches I should have enough to cover it in enough. Just by twisting some down and around. I think it's looking pretty. Anyhow, I'm just going to keep working on it. Twisting the chestnuts around. Some of these longer vines I can actually bring down to the bottom. Well, I guess that's the top. Bring them up, and then I'll just go around with more. I have 3 branches for each one, and I've used 2 for this one. So I still have 1 more branch to work. And I might just do it on this inside one and bring it out. And I think that will work the best, because there probably isn't any of this left at Michael's, but we'll see. Okay, so now I'm gonna start down here. Twist this around. There. And then I'm gonna move this around so it has some on the middle piece. And I think that should work to cover it up. If not, I can maybe get some kind of a filler if I don't like it. I think it's too bare. So far I'm liking it though. I think it's looking good. Okay, I've used 3 branches and I still have 2 of these left. From the branches, I'm going to go hang it on the door and see if there's any really bare spots, and I can fill them in with this. So we'll go do that. Okay, I'm going to take the olive branches down. And we'll put the chestnuts up. Doesn't need the bowl. Around here so you can see a little better. I think it looks pretty good, maybe right there. Around a few little ones. Something. Let's just stick it. Oh, let's go this way. It needs to be filled in over there. That was a chestnut falling off. Anything fell? Maybe just a baby. And hot spots filled in nicer. Maybe one right there. So we will put it in this way. There, I think that looks good. There it is. The pretty little acorns. White berries. And the puppy dog barking. So we've got one made, and I think it's going to show up very nice. I can take those guys down and have this up for the fall. I brought it into my bulletin board, so I think it shows off a little better than when it's hanging on the door and the light's coming through. But I think that turned out really nice. I'm very pleased with it. And now I have to make the other one.
Well, I got my 2 wreaths all made and hung on the door. So that feels like I got a pretty good start to my fall decorating. So I will be working on more, and as I do that, I will definitely make videos and show you what I'm working on. I hope everyone enjoyed these 2 little projects. They weren't difficult, but I think they add a lot to my decor. And I really enjoyed making them. Well, I'd like to thank all my subscribers for always watching and welcome anyone who's new. And if you're new here and you liked this content, please subscribe. I do 2 other days a week. I do Tuesdays, Tiny Tidy Tuesdays, which is a collaboration with Sunday Dawn. And I do another collaboration with Sandy, Grandma Sandy, and it's Thursday Fairy Gardens 2023.